Hey guys, I'm super excited about a new content series coming up. I'm going through a family entertainment center build. I'm going to be starting with the lower section right below the TV, and that's going to have a display case at the top. And then I've got cabinets on the side with an archway at the top. It's something that I haven't seen a lot on YouTube. I've seen cabinets, but I haven't seen them incorporate glass or archways or anything fancy like that. It's something that our family picked out online, and we thought, what the heck, why don't we just build it? So we're going to go through the detailed step-by-step plans, and I'll have plans in the description below as we go through so you can follow along too on PDFs. And then that's going to kind of bridge into the next series where I've got a workbench and I've got plans, but I haven't actually done the detailed build to go through that. So it's been something that's been requested and something that I'm super excited about putting forward. And if you're a subscriber, I'm thinking when I get to the end of it, I've already got a workbench myself. I can build this entire workbench, show the detailed step-by-step process, and then give it away to one of my subscribers. So if that's something you're interested in and you just want to join the channel in the infancy of this, go ahead and subscribe and you can follow along as we go through all that. And then last but not least, I've got a 500 subscriber $100 giveaway. I'm super excited about it, and it's something that I'm trying to give back to the channel as we grow. And if you want the details on that, go ahead and click the link in the description below. So let's do this.